Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about our President of the United States, Donald Trump. And it says, President Donald Trump has nominated a Jamaican-born law professor who previously worked as a prosecutor, defense attorney, and journalist to fill the United States' longest federal judiciary vacancy. Trump nominated Richard E. Myers on Wednesday to be a federal judge in the Eastern District of North Carolina. Rayland lawyer Thomas Farr had been nominated 4 times, twice by President George W. Bush and twice by Trump, but was blocked in the Senate over his legal work. Critics say disenfranchised black voters. President Barack Obama nominated 2 black women for the judgeship, vacant since January 2006. Republicans blocked both. A native of Kingston, Jamaica, Myers immigrated to the United States as a child. Senator Tom Tillis, a supporter of Farr's nomination, cited Myers' work advising the University of North Carolina's Federalist Society chapter in calling him an outstanding choice. So what are your guys' thoughts on that? Trump nominated a Jamaican as U.S. federal judge. Do you think that is a good look for Jamaica? Do you think that is going to be a good look for Jamaica and the United States partnership? Do you think that is going to go well in as far as Jamaica and Jamaicans immigration from Jamaica to the US? What are your thoughts on those topics? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Deuces.